So here's how to set up live chat with Zendesk. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser and search for the Zendesk. Then here you have to click on this link to open the website. Once you are here, now here you have to click on the start your free trial option. After that, at this pop-up window, you have to enter your email address and then hit on the next. Now you have to enter your name and click on the next. Here you have to enter your last name and again hit on the next. Now enter your phone number and click on the next. Here you have to simply follow all of the prompts and then click on the start my free trial option. Then go to your email account for the verification process. After the verification process, here at this form you have to enter all of your details. If you are not using the Zendesk support, then you have to enable the chat feature. You can also create departments here to route chats to the appropriate department. Go to the channel section within the chat and then click on the chat widget. Customize the appearance of your chat widget to match the branding of your website. Customize the offline messages that will be available to the user when no agents are live. Zendesk will provide you a code snippet that you have to enter to your HTML site. Once you enter the code to your website's HTML page, then you will be able to successfully install it. So that's how to set up chats on Zendesk.